Hello students. So today we will learn about skip counting. I think you all are familiar with the word skip. Have you ever skipped the rope? And what is skip? Skip means jumping. Whenever you take jump, whenever you skip, have you ever skipped the rope? Means most of the time we skip the rope. So today we will skip the numbers. That it will be called skip counting. So the first is skip counting by two. I am writing here numbers. Counting to all. Okay, till then I am writing a numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As we are going to write a skip counting too, so from where you want to start? From 1 or from 2? From 2. Okay, I am starting this from 2. Right? So look here. We will skip number here 2 times. We will take here 2 jumps. Okay? 1. This is one jump, and this is second jump. And we have landed on 4. Right? Again we will take 2 jumps, 1 and 2. In second jump we have landed on 6. Again we will take 2 jumps, 1 and this is 2. We have landed on 8. Again I am going to take 2 jumps, 1 and 2. So look here. So if we start our skip counting from 2, so how do we write this? 2 will come first, then 4 will come, then 6 will come, then 8, and then 10. Can you tell what will come after 10? In skip counting 2, what will come here? As our question is that what will come after 10? You all know the counting. What will come after 10? 11. Then what will come after 11? 12. So again we will take 2 jumps here. 1 jump, and this is second. In second jump we have landed on 12. So what will come here? 12. Okay. This is very easy to find the number. Okay. This is done. And one more thing we can do here. And you have also know how to add the numbers. You know? Yes and no? I think you know. So look here. In skip counting 2, if we add 2 in this 2, what will we get? 2 plus 2, what will come? 4. Then if we add 2 plus in this 4, what will we get? 4 plus 2, what will come? 6. Then 6 plus 2, what will you get? You will get what? 8. If we add 8 plus 2, we will get 10. If we add 2 in 10, what will we get? We will get 12. Can you tell what will come next here? Which number will come here? And so add 2 plus 2 into 12. Okay, 12 plus 2. If you cannot add, you can add like this. 2 like this. 2 plus 2, 4, and 1 will come here. what will come here? 40, right? This is we are doing. Then what will come here? Can you get 14 plus 2? How much will you get? 14 plus 2. How much will you get? You can add like this also. 14 and 2. 4 and 2. 6 and 1. How much? 16. Very good. Means we can find the numbers in skip counting by 2. We have two methods. One is we will write the numbers and we will take here 2 jumps. Okay, but keep in mind which is from where we are starting, right? As we are starting from the 2, so I have taken 2 here, then I move forward. Okay, now you will say, sir, I want a different question of skip counting too. So look here, this is a very easy to find skip counting. Suppose from where we want to start, which number we want to take? Any number. Because I cannot hear voice, so I am choosing this number from myself. So I am taking the number is 51. Okay. Suppose I am taking 51. Skip counting. Skip counting by 2 from 51. Okay, I am taking 51 here. So look here. This is 51. Okay, now look here. This is 51. And I told you we will start skip counting by 2 from 51. So look here, I told you we will take 2 jumps in skip counting 2. So look here, from 51 to 52. This is a 1 jump. And from 52 to 53. This is a second jump. This is a 1 jump. And this is second jump. And now we have landed on 53. So what will come after 51? What will come here? 53, right? So I had only one more method, that was adding 2. You can add 2 also in this. Okay, now 53 plus 2, what will come? 53 plus 2, what will you get? You will get what? 55. Very good. So we will write here 55. Then what will come here? Then again write here 55. Then add 2. What will you get? 5 and 2, 7. And here 5 will come. So what will come here? Here will come 57. Right? So now you will ask, what will come here in next? What will come here? This number 57. 57 plus 2. 57 plus 2. 7 2. 9. And here 5. This is 59. Right? Okay, this is what will come here. Next here question is what will come in this place. So 59 plus 2. 59 plus 2. Add 2 in this. 9 and 2. How much? 9 and 2. 11. 1 here. And 1 we will carry forward. 5 and 1. 6. So what will come here? 61. Right? Good. Okay, now we learn skip counting by 5. Okay. So as this is also same. which we have done this skip counting by 2, we will also do the same thing here. In skip counting 2, we have taken 2 jumps. In this skip counting 5 by 5, we will take here 5 jumps. As we were talking about the skip counting by 5. So look here, from where we want to start. I am taking any number. From where should I start? Look, I am taking 11. My first number is 11. So look here. As I told you that we will take 5 jumps in skip counting by 5. So our first number is 11. What your second number? So count here from count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Where we have done it? On 16. Okay, means we have landed on 16. Now again we will take here 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, this is 4, and from 20 to 21. Right? Only 5 jumps will be there. 1 jump, 2, 3, 4, from 20 to 21. It will be 5 jumps. Okay. So what will come after 11? If first number is 11, what will be second number? Second number will be 16. What will third number? Third number will be 21. And what will be fourth number? What will be fifth number? What will be sixth number? And what will be 7? Okay. So look here, and as I have told you that in skip counting 2, we can add 2, and in the same way we can also add 5 in this skip counting 5. Okay, so look here, this was 11, it is 16, this is 16, this is 21. After 21, what will come? We will add 5 in 21. So look here, 5 and 1, 6. It will be 2. It will be means 26 will come here. 26. Right here 26. Then what will come here? 26 plus 5. Okay. So look here, 6 and 5, it will be 11. So write here 1, and we will carry 1 forward, and 2 and 1 will be 3. It means what will come here? 31 will come here. And next, what will come after 31? So we will add 5 in this in 31. 5 and 1, 6, with 3. It means here will come 36. What will come here? So we will add 5 to 36. 6 and 5, 11. Right here 1. Again we will forward, carry forward 1. 3 and 1, 4. So here will come 21. You all know the addition, so we can use also addition also. Okay, whenever you will add 5 in 11, you will get 16. When you add 5 in 16, you will get 21. When you add 5 in 21, you will get 26. And these terms we have done in these addition questions. Okay, you will get 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 5, 31, and this. Like this we can do skip counting 5. In skip counting 5, we will add 5 in the number. Okay. Okay, now we will learn about the skip counting by 10. As we have done skip counting by 2, in skip counting by 2, we have added 2 in the number. In skip counting by 5, we have added 5 in the number. In the same way, we will add 10 in the number. Suppose I am starting this number from 21 I am taking here. First number is 21. What is second number? What is third number? 4, 5 and 6. So look here. This is counting 10. This is very easy. So look here. In the same we will do. We will add 10 to 21. So what will come here? 1 and what will come here? 3. It will be 31. Means 31 will come here. When we add 10 in 31, what will we get? We will get from 1 to 4. Means 41. So right here 41. And if we add 10 in 41, what will come? What will come? 51. Right? So what will write here? We will write here 51. When we add, what will come here? Means when we will add 10 to the 51, we will get this 1 and here will come 6. Right? So what will come here? Here will come 61. If we add 10 in 61, what will we get? We will get 71. 71. Okay. So this was skip counting by 10. But I have one. Have you noticed here anything? Notice here what was happening here. Have you noticed? Look here. So it was 21 and this is 31 and this is 41. This is 51 and this is 61 and this is 71. So look here. This one's unit is not changing in any of these numbers. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here and here and here. The ones unit of these numbers is same. But listen, the tens place number was changing. So look here. Here was 2 and now it is 3 and now it is 4 and now it is 5 and now it is 6 and now it is 7. So remember, in this skip counting by 10, this is very easy. In skip counting by 10, only tens number will change. Okay? Only tens number will change. So look here, I am giving you one more example. So look at this. Suppose I am writing, I am starting this number from 37. Okay? First number is 37. What is second number? What is third number? What is fourth number? Fifth, sixth, seventh. This is very easy. So look here, I have told you that this ones place number will not change. So write this ones place number. And I told you tens place number will change. You will increase this number by 1. What will after 3? 4. So write here 4. This is 41. Only tens number will change. What will come here? Is skip counting 10. One's number will not change. Okay, 7 will come here. It is 4. So what will come here? 5 will come here. It is 57. What will next? Can you tell me? First number will be, one's number will be same, 7, and tens number will be changed. So what will come here? 9. No, we will increase only by 1. 5 plus 1, what will come here? 6 is 67. And then what will come here? One's number now the tens number will change. If we skip counting 10, tens number will change. So it will be 7, 77. So now what will come here? Here, first number will not change. 7 will be here. And what will be this 7 will change? 10 space number 7. So what will come here? 8. It is 87. And now, then what will come here? One's number will not change. Will not change one's number. So what will come here? 8. After it what comes? 9. So look here, it's 97. So look here, you can check it. 37 plus 10, we will get 47. Yes, we have got this correct. 47 plus 10, we will get 7, and this is 5. It is 57. This is also correct. So look here, in this 57 plus 10, what will you get? 7. This is 6. Very good, it is also correct. And then 67 plus 10, this will be 7, it will be 7, 77. So 77, correct. This is 77, and then add 10, this is 7, it will be 8, 87, it also 87, this is also correct. Now 87 and 10, add these numbers, we get 7, 9, 97, this is also correct. Okay, so we can also use this method also, it is a short. Okay, means if we skip counting 10, we can change only the tens number. Okay, I hope you have understood this.